In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix stutter and low FPS in Starfield. First, you need to open Steam. So here, go to library, find the game. I will do this for this game. Follow same steps for Starfield. So go to properties and then install files, browse, and then find starfield.exe. Right click, properties, compatibility, disable full screen. Then apply and then OK. Once done, you can just close this down. And I recommend when running games, run one game at a time. Make sure there's no background programs running. If there is, just turn them off. So see, I have so many, I have to turn off all of these by exiting them. And if you go to taskbar, task manager, you can also check if there's any running processes in the background and shut them off. If it's like a game you don't recognize or a software you're not using, I suggest you just turn it off like this in task. And also go to startup apps and then disable any unnecessary apps here by disabling them. Right click and then disable. These apps will automatically start when you start your computer. Now next, what you can do is you can always check if there's a update for your drivers. So if you have NVIDIA, just check if you have any updates. If you're using AMD, you can also check by using AMD software. If there's driver update, always update. Now what you can do here is go to settings, and then here you'll go to game mode. Make sure game mode is on, and then graphics. Make sure advanced graphics, hardware accelerated, is turned on. Also, you want to make sure the game here is set to high graphics. So what you want to do is find the game over here. If you don't see it, then you will have to just add desktop app and just find the folder, the main folder for the game where the game is installed. And if you just find the main folder and click on the .exe folder of the game, just like here, you will click add and it will be added here. And for example, as you can see, GTA, you will have the access here. Like once you add Starfield, you'll see something just like this, and you'll see the option, and you want to set it to high performance, and you want to set this on, and this way you will have the highest performance for your graphics card. And once done, this should basically give you the best settings.